welcome to my class. In this particular class, we will talk about different types of network. We can divide all types of networks into three parts. The first one on the basis of geography, the second one on the basis of topology, the third one is on the basis of services rendered. On the basis of topology, let's first try to understand the meaning of network topology. The term network topology refers to the way in which computers, that is nodes in a network, are linked together. Student, please note that any device connected to network is termed as node. Whether a computer is connected to the network or a printer is connected to the network, it will be termed as node. So the term network topology refers to the way in which the computers or nodes in a network are linked together. In simple words, the pattern in which computers are connected to each other is termed as topology. This pattern can be in the shape of straight line or a ring shape or star shape and so on. In other words, the structure or layout of the cabling in connecting the devices to form a network is called topology. The way we have laid down cables to connect devices is termed as topology. On the basis of topology, we can divide networks into 6 parts. The first one is bus topology. Second one, star topology. The third one, ring topology. The fourth one, mesh topology. The fifth one, tree topology. And the last one is hybrid topology. We will talk about all these topologies one by one. Let's start with bus topology. We can either call it bus networking structure or bus topology. Structure. In a bus networking structure, there is a single wire with which all computers are attached. Two ends of cable are terminated with devices, that is terminators. There is a main cable and all the devices are connected to this main cable through drop lines. There is a device called tap that connects the drop line to the main cable. Let us look at this particular image. Different computers are connected to the main bus, main wire. The main problem with the bus topology is that if the main wire breaks down, the whole computer network will stop. The second problem in the case of bus topology is that in case a computer breaks down, then this topology again it has to be stopped in order to disconnect the computer from the main line. In case we need to connect new PC, then the main cable has to be cut down again, which will reduce down the strength of the main cable. The functioning of bus topology. In the bus topology, the signals carry two things. First is data and the second the address of receiver computer. All signals carrying data and receiver computer address are broadcast from the source computer and it travels in both directions to all computers connected on the bus cable until it finds the intended receiver computer. There is one single line on which the data moves. Along with the data, the receiver computer address goes. On this particular main line, the source computer broadcast. In that case, the receiver computer will receive the message and all other computers will reject the message. If the computer's address does not match the intended address for that data, the computer ignores the data. Alternatively, if the computer's address matches the intended address for the data is accepted by that computer. Some of the advantages and disadvantages of bus topology, they are discussed below. The first one is bus topology is very easy to install and understand. At the same time, the disadvantage is heavy data traffic can slow down the performance of bus topology because there is only one wire and the data moves to and fro only on this cable. Second advantage is that it is a very reliable system for small organization because of ease in connectivity. Whereas the disadvantage is that whenever a new computer is to be connected to the main cable has to be cut, and with each connection between two cables, it can weaken the strength of electrical signals. It means more the cuts in the main cable shall become weak and it will reduce down the strength of electrical signals. Another advantage is that bus topology is less expensive as it does not require a very long cable to connect. At the same time, the disadvantage is a cable break at any point or malfunctioning in the computer. It can cause the whole network to stop functioning. And one of the advantages is that it is easy to extend the cable by joining cable connector. So the length of the cable can be increased by joining cable connectors. Thank you very much.